Stop crying. Don't reveal yourself too much. Don't show people your real emotions. Do not let them see that you're weak. Because people are gonna think that you are weak. Present yourself in a certain way. Don't let people take advantage of you. I'm sure many people have told you this, and that is why whenever you feel that there are tears in your eyes, whenever you feel like crying, you don't cry. You suppress your emotions, you bottle them up, and then you find yourself in a dark space where you are depressed, where you are stoic, where you are emotionless, and where you feel lonely, hollow, and empty inside. I am here to hold your hand and tell you that your weakness is not your emotions. It is your mindset. That exact mindset which tells you to act in a certain way so that people can see you and perceive you in a certain way. Tell me why you don't cry. Tell me why you don't react. And tell me why you laugh it off. Tell me. Is it because you don't want outsiders to see you in that way? Is it because you want outsiders to think something else of you? Then let me tell you this. You are giving them a much bigger power. The power for them to control your emotions and your self-expression. I was the easiest crier in my class. When I was young, I used to cry over everything. Whenever I tried to control my emotions, whenever I tried to tell myself that don't cry, I always used to cry. It was just not in my hands. I would always find myself crying. And then people used to laugh at it. I was the most emotional and the most expressive person when I was young. But when you grow up, you learn to control your emotions. And I also learned to control my emotions. And then I would just really hold it in. Whenever I really wanted to cry and whenever I really wanted to express my emotions would just not come out. But you know what? It did not do something really great for me. It actually did something worse. You are a human. Your emotions will come out. If they don't come out in form of tears, you know in which form will come out. It will come out in form of anger, in form of rage, in form of indifference, in form of hatred. Me not showing my emotions did not make me powerful. It made me weaker because I was totally consumed by their presence. That is the most dangerous power that you can give to people. Do you think you look strong? You look mysterious? You look secretive to people? Maybe you do, but what is that doing for you? You know what you're losing in that process? You're losing the power of self-expression. You are losing that power of being yourself unapologetically. You're losing that power to be happy, to be weird, to be uncool, to be cringe, to do what you want to do because you want people to think of you a certain way. Because you're just constantly going to change yourself according to people. Do you know what that is going to make you? A slave of their judgment. Do you know what real strength is? What real power you can hold? It is being yourself, unapologetically. People are going to look at you and think how unbothered he or she is, how cool he or she is, because no matter what we try, no matter how much we try to put this person in our box, to try to manipulate this person to be a certain way, to try to make this person just like ourselves, this person just wouldn't turn into somebody like me. This is the real power. You expressing yourself in any form or manner, it is giving you the real power. It is not making you an easy target. It is making you a much more difficult target. Because you are comfortable in yourself. You are comfortable with the person that you are. You are secure. Their little tricks to manipulate you, their little tricks to gaslight you, their little tricks to try to make you like them, they're gonna fall. Their plans will fall. Why? Just because you are going to choose to be yourself. You are going to choose to express yourself whenever and in whichever form you want. If you clicked on this video, I'm sure you ask yourself multiple times, am I looking weak? Does my self-expression make me look weak? You need to ask yourself a different question. The question that if I don't do this, will it weaken my true self? And if your answer is yes, then you have to do it. You have to show them. No matter what, you have to speak up. You have to be yourself. Because at the end of the day, the only thing that you owe yourself is to be yourself. Bye.